Boy, do I have a flashlight for you. My name's Hannah with WTI, and PASIION has a multifunctional flashlight. This thing is a multi-purpose tool. This thing is just really nice and handy to have around. I love that it's rechargeable, so I don't have to worry about buying batteries, and it clearly shows what the battery level is, so I know if I'm getting close, I need to charge it. I love that it not only has the circle flashlight, but it also has the bar on the side, which kind of gives you a broader light. So if you're looking over a big area, that one works better. It's also really nice. It has a magnet on the side and the bottom. So if you are working like on your car or somewhere like that, you can just stick it to the hood and it will stay in place. Not only is it a regular flashlight, but it also has UV, red, blue, flashing red and blue, a laser pointer, a bottle opener, and a window breaker. I also love that it is very compact, so I can just toss this in my purse and I always have it. If you're looking for a multi-purpose flashlight, I really, really love this one, but that's just my point of view.